is, may the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. I love that. It's awesome. So that hits on several things there. May the God of hope, because God gives hope, fill you with all peace and joy as you trust in him. I think that might be part of what gives us hope. Trust, which is not about our feelings or about our circumstances. I'm in a position right now, and it's not an easy position, that I've got to trust that the foster parents that will be adopting my 4 grandchildren will continue to allow us in their lives. Because as we know, typically they have every right to cut out the original blood family. But these are wonderful believing family, but I can't just rely on that. I got to trust God. And that's not easy, because it's going to be an ongoing trust for the rest of their lives. I didn't want to be facing this. I didn't want this to happen, but I know that God has a reason. They're all 4 together. They're in a wonderful family. And I just have to believe. And this is a little tidbit to what God showed me that next day when I was journaling and trying to just work through all my negative emotions. All of a sudden, I heard this, I got this impression in my head, because the foster family's last name is Ray, R-A-Y. And all of a sudden I got ray of hope, a ray of hope.